welcome back, guys. This is Ayush again with another video. Today, I'm going to tell you the more important things for PTE core and how you can practice free of cost from the PTE website, the Pearson website, and जहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे like questions मिलने वाले हैं. As you can see, like Pearson is giving you the 10% off on any kind of bookings that you're doing from Pearson website. Just like you have to use this code Bayfikr 10, and this is a limited period offer. Obviously you can avail that offer right now, and if I go deeper, you can check that on this Pearson website, where the link is like pearsonpte.com. You can check it out. So just click on the link, or you can just type in the Google. And as you know that, like, he's the brand ambassador now, and we have many things to work on, like this Pearson website particularly. For the moment, if I check that, obviously, like, there are some kind of exams that are given in like PTE, that is academic, that is accepted worldwide for the study and immigration. If you want to visit any of these countries like Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United States, United Kingdom, and other countries as well. And another test is there like PTE core. It's basically a general test, general English test, that is accepted in Canada for some the immigration purposes. And again, like, it's the UKVI, that is for UK visa and immigration, like UKVI, PTEO, home, A1, A2, and B1. This is basically for study, work, or settling in the UK, like United Kingdom. So let's deep you can say, like, let's delve into the PTE core and check it out. What are the things that are coming in PTE core? And here you can check the availability and book, like if you want to book the exam, what are the dates and what are the timings and what are the centers available for that. आप यहाँ पर easily check कर सकते हैं. It is very easy to check it out, because they will provide you every date and time and the location that you are comfortable with. Just fill in your exam center location. Suppose if you want to fill in like in Chandigarh, so आप चंडीगढ़ search करते हैं यहाँ पर, you can definitely find it out, like where these locations are and what are the institutes available for that. So just leave for the moment, and we go back into the PTE core, where we can check our materials as well. So right now, like, we can say the general English test for work and immigration, PTE core, as you know, that it's a computer based test that is basically for Canada, and like for the citizenship in case. And right now, why you should be going with this? Because it is accepted by the IRCC, the international regulation for Canadian citizenship, for immigration and the citizenship in there. And you can get your result in typically 2 days. Assess your English level, like every day you can check it out. And there are AI scorings that are comfortable for humans to check in out, because आपको hesitation नहीं होगा उससे. And it's computer based test, fully computer based, which is taken in a test center, and it's a single 2 hour test, right? If you want to check out the test format, obviously you can click on this, and you'll check like what are the test formats, like speaking and writing, again the same, in which दो tasks जो आपकी हैं, they are different. As you know that, like, in place of like the speaking part, we can check that there is another question which is respond to a situation as compared to a written lecture. In case of PT academic, it was there. And in place of essay, like, you have to write an email basically. So इसके लिए भी एक format अलग से दिया गया है आपको, that you can definitely follow for that. And apart from that, like, there is nothing changed in case of PT exam. And right now, if I want to practice it, where I can get the preparation material, guys, over here we have some, like, free tests available from the PT itself, who's giving you these tests, where you can check it out. Like, it's just like, let me show it. It's a tester test that you can taste it and you can check it out, and it's the free online course that you can take from PTE as well. And obviously, like, this is something that Pearson is giving to you, so it will be good enough as compared to other institutes and all. But right now, if you want to give your free test for PTE core, over here some of the questions are there जो आप देख सकते हैं. See for yourself what makes PTE core the very free English test. Basically यहाँ पर आपको 5 tasks दी जाती हैं, in which you get the fill in the blanks, then reorder paragraphs, multiple choice single answers, highlight incorrect words, and select missing word. And you can go ahead and check it out, like how they are differentiating. So, like, you can check the different questions over here. Like, every time you are logging in, you'll get different questions. You can check your answers from here, just like that. So they're giving you some kind of tips for that. Like, this is a reorder paragraph, you can डेफिनेटली डू इट आउट. आप अपना लेवल चेक कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश का. देन मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, हाईलाइट इनकरेक्ट वर्ड्स एंड सेलेक्ट मिसिंग वर्ड्स. So this is anyhow like you can say we are getting some related material approximately which is similar to PTE core. And you will get some idea कि किस तरह की लैंग्वेज आती है, कौन सा लेवल होता है A1 A2 B1 B2 या C1 C2 में से. सो दिस इज सिंपली अ फेयर टेस्ट, आई मस्ट से, दैट इज accepted by basically Canadian institutes, or for the Canadian citizenship you can say, not the institutes. So if you want to apply for any PR or work visa, so this is the best test for you. And in the further videos, like as we are going deeper into the videos, हम और भी ज़्यादा डीपली नॉलेज देने वाले हैं इस चीज़ के बारे में. बट फॉर that you have to subscribe to my channel. What you can do is like you can just go ahead and search in Google like Ayush PTE elixir. You will get my number there, and you will get my websites and all. Whatever the material is there, it's always there. You can definitely follow it out, and you can check all the materials that I've uploaded. So thank you so much for being in this video, guys. If you really want to upgrade your score within 15 to 20 days, and if you're getting problems, suppose अगर आपका exam clear नहीं हो पा रहा है, do not hesitate to call me with this number. I'll be there for you, and you can call me after like 6 p.m. as well. I'm there for you, and we are conducting the online and offline classes as well. So thanks for being here in this video, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and do follow on Instagram as well. You can share the videos as well with your friends, so that they can also get to know like कैसे PTE को किया जा सकता है like easy way में. So have a good day, guys. Take care.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go